All right, welcome to Social Studies class for today. The essential question we are working on to answer is, what characteristics make the Blue Ridge and Piedmont unique? Here are the vocabulary words we're going to be talking about throughout this essential question: human characteristics, foothills, physical characteristics, region, Blue Ridge region, Greenville, and Piedmont region. All right, the first region we're going to talk about in our state is the Blue Ridge region. Here it is over here, right here. You see it on this map of with the 6 regions. This region has mountains in it. It has the Blue Ridge Mountains throughout this region. It also has many hardwood forests, it has streams, and it has waterfalls. This region is the smallest of the landform regions. You can see very easily on this map that it is the smallest. This region includes the state's highest point, which is Sassafras Mountain. And then it also has the mountains that are in this region are part of the Appalachian Mountains. All right, you probably want to pause it here so that you can fill in your graphic organizer. Hopefully it'll be easy for you to fill in. And then press play when you are ready to begin again. All right, here are some pictures from the Blue Ridge region of our state. Here you see the mountains and the waterfalls and the forests. All right, here we go. The next region in our state that we're going to talk about is the Piedmont region. It's this right here. Looks like it's going to be the biggest region. All right, Piedmont means the foothills of the mountains. This region includes rolling hills and many valleys. It was once a productive farming area, but those poor farming practices led to erosion of the topsoil, which is the good part of the soil that you want to plant your crops in. And the red clay that was left behind wasn't very good for farming, so farming isn't a big practice here anymore in the Piedmont region. However, one agricultural industry that does thrive here is peaches. If you've ever driven through Gaffney, you see the big peach. And then the Piedmont region also has some waterfalls, and it also has swift-flowing rivers, which provided water power for those early mills and the textile industry, which is one reason that the textile industry is so important in the Piedmont region. And before we move on, the Piedmont region is the region that we live in, that Greenville is part of. All right, so again, you want to pause here before you continue so that you can copy your notes. All right, here are some pictures from the Piedmont region, the rolling hills and the waterfalls. You may recognize the Liberty Bridge, goes across the Reedy River in downtown Greenville. There we have Table Rock you see in the bottom picture. That's known as a monadnock. You see the exposed rock there. And then, of course, the Gaffney Peach Tower. All right, so that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. So I want you to look over your notes. If you need to rewatch any part of it to go to copy any of the things down, that's fine. Tomorrow in class we will be doing some activities with these characteristics. We'll be working in groups to create a product for these 2 regions, so be sure you know them. See you tomorrow.